how much time was necessary up front for cleansing the data to make sure information was accurate report?
Yeah, I know lots of people feel like it might be a chicken and an egg, but in my opinion, it's actually very clear. You need to give people the ability to see the data before they typically will care about the data. So what we wanted to do was say, look, we know there's a little bit of messiness in our category codes. Our chart of accounts is suboptimal, but let's get this out and put it in front of people because they never cared about before. They would run dumps into Excel and just pull out the numbers they needed and without worrying too much about the overall structure of how it sits within JDE. But that served their needs. Once we brought in QuickLaunch and people could see, hey, that doesn't make sense. Suddenly, all these requests came in to our ERP team saying, hey, can we fix up these cat codes? Can we expose this in this other way? Can we rename these things? And our data gets better every day now. You know, as long as you're upfront with what you're delivering to folks that are using it and saying, look, this is how it sits, and you know, use it with the right amount of caution and the right amount of understanding. Very quickly, people say, well, I want it to be better because I want my reports to be easier and to mean more. And that's, so in my opinion, it's not necessarily a great idea to try and build up perfect master data before you roll this out. And in many cases, you might not even know how that should look until you start using and seeing the data.